Welcome to AlgoSteps, the ultimate platform designed to transform the way students and professionals learn, visualize, and master data structures and algorithms. Learning from static text or trying to trace complex code in the head can be frustrating. This platform is built to be highly visual, interactive, and engaging. Starting on the main dashboard, the first thing visible after logging in is the personal tracker called Track Your DSA Conquest. This provides a great high-level overview of the learning journey, including the overall mastery percentage and a clear breakdown of how many easy, medium, and hard problems have been conquered. It serves as an excellent way to monitor growth and maintain motivation for daily coding tasks. Navigating to the Content tab reveals the main problem catalog. The platform features a curated selection of over 500 of the most important coding challenges required for technical interviews at top product-based companies. To make navigating this list easy, a smooth filtering system sits at the top. Users can quickly filter by difficulty level, check completion status, or filter by specific topics like arrays, linked lists, strings, matrices, or hash tables. Exactly what is needed for practice can be found in mere seconds without any hassle. Taking a look at a classic problem like two-sum shows where the absolute best feature of the website comes into play. Instead of just presenting a static solution, AlgoSteps features a fully interactive live code execution visualizer. On the right side of the page, clean, interview-ready Java code is displayed. On the left side, a live dynamic graphic of the actual data structures takes center stage. When hitting the play button or manually stepping through the code line by line, everything syncs up perfectly. The array elements color code themselves, elements move into the hash map in real time, and the local variables change values instantly. An execution trace panel is also included, explaining exactly why the algorithm is making that specific move. It completely bridges the gap between abstract computer science logic and visual reality. To ensure true understanding of the underlying principles, every problem wraps up with an interactive mastery quiz. Once the problem is conceptually understood, knowledge can be tested immediately. The quiz asks questions about precise time complexity, space complexity, data structure choices, or edge case scenarios. Answering correctly provides instant validation, awards experience points, and levels up the overall developer profile. It successfully turns stressful interview preparation into a fun, gamified progression system. For those wondering exactly where to start, a structured day-by-day roadmap called the 100-Day Algorithm Mastery Journey is available. It is designed to take learners from absolute basics all the way up to advanced topics like dynamic programming and graph algorithms. Daily quests can be checked off to maintain a consistent path. Furthermore, if placement season is around the corner, the Customize button becomes incredibly useful. A custom roadmap can be created with a custom sprint name and specific duration. The entire database can be searched to add specific questions to specific days, allowing for completely customized preparation schedules that fit any deadline. The platform also features super helpful reference tools. Clicking the Big O tab opens a beautifully designed complexity cheat sheet. It includes a clean graph comparing different operational scales, along with complete tables showing the best, average, and worst case time and space complexities for every major data structure and sorting algorithm. Another huge feature is the patterns arena. To ace technical interviews, the secret is learning to recognize underlying patterns. Hundreds of problems are broken down into 25 core coding blueprints, such as sliding window or two pointers. Once a pattern is understood, that template can be used to solve completely new, unseen problems on the fly. The Library tab categorizes everything perfectly by data structures and algorithmic paradigms, making it easy to drill down on specific weak spots. For absolute beginners, the Algo Academy acts as an interactive digital sandbox. Opening the array playground allows typing in a value, selecting an index, clicking insert, and physically watching the blocks move. The Algo narrator feature provides real-world analogies and breaks down computer science trade-offs in plain English so anyone can understand. To keep the experience competitive, a global leaderboard shows how weekly, monthly, or all-time XP stacks up against other developers. Finally, the Profile tab acts as a personal analytics center. A green activity grid tracks the daily problem-solving consistency, while a visual mastery web radar chart highlights structural strengths and weaknesses.